Hello everybody, this is Katerina, I'm Nordstrom Tampa beauty stylist, and today we're gonna talk about something special what we have at Nordstrom, and it's a style board. What is style board? It's an app which one allowed me to sell merchandise from my home, when I'm on vacation, or any time my customer need any help from me. And I am person, I like deliver, I like to make my customer happy, and I always wanna let customer know I'm with you, I know what you need. Okay, but I will tell you some little tricky part from on these apps. This app changes constantly, and I know a lot of people who work for Nordstrom or customer sometimes getting frustrated, and it can be a little bit complicated. I created this video for you to a little bit more understand how this app works. Okay, my customer at home, and she texts me, Katerina, I would like to replenish my 10 items. And I will tell customer, no problem, I will just send you a link right now with your favorite items. And what's happened, she will receive a message, and she will see my picture and will say, Katerina, Nordstrom Beauty Stylist would like to help you with your shopping list. You, like me, I'm talking with customer, and she'll tell me, Katerina, I want to replenish my this item, this item, this item, this item. And some items will say like she wants 2 lip liners, and it's the same brand but it's a different colors. Or she also will say, and I wanna send to store, not to my home. This is everything can happen, but what the tricks? Okay, when you customer usually will tell you, I want this, she already have merchandise in her basket. Me, the salesperson, I don't know this. She has in her basket this. And when I send into her link with her favorite items, and she wants you to get credit because you work with this customer for so many years, and she reached you, she wants you to get credit. If she has these items in her Nordstrom.com basket, and you send it link with same items, me as a Katerina Nordstrom beauty stylist will not get it credit. She need to remove these items. Second, me as a beauty stylist salesperson, I will send to her items which one she likes, but I will always add some different items because I know my customer, I know what they like it, and I've been for so many years number one in my store as a beauty stylist. I know what they like. And another tricky part, you can send to your customer only 1 item. It should be 2 or more. Also, you can send to her 20 items. You will need to split these messages, like, well, you will need to send her couple system. I think it's allowed only 10, no more, I'm not sure, but we can send basically like 20 or 50 items. Another situation, if she likes this lip liner and she likes color rose and she likes to color beige, you will send to her system allowed you say, and it's the same brand, same item. You can only send to her 1 lip liner, but she can change how many lip liners, and your customer can change color which one she likes. Also, another situation, I'm actually have shock when I find out. I always tell my customers, like, Katerina, I want 10 items. And I will talk with my customer. I will say, hi, you know what? Let me send you 3 items, which one you know you like to replenish, and I will send you another couple items, which one I think you will like. And she still want few items, but I tell a customer, you can edit these items to your baskets, no problem. But when she start editing these items, you will not get it credit. And customer, she wants you to have this credit. She call you, she reach you, she trusts you. This is why it's very important to tell customer, remove your items from basket and always send all merchandise with your link, because if you don't sell through link all merchandise which one she wants or she like it, she added separate from your link, yes, Nordstrom will get credit. It's good, we need job, right, for everyone. But she reach you and she asking you, are you gonna get all credit for all merchandise? No, you do not. Always send to a customer, items which one she asking you. Also, what I like about Style Board, I can see what my customer like it, what she wearing, shoes, clothes, makeup, jewelry, and sometimes I know what, like, I look at what my customer like to purchase, and I'm like, sometimes, oh my god, I know she likes the shoes and they're on sale now. I will right away text to my customer or send a link. Also, customer can change if she wanna pick merchandise from store or she want delivered to her house. Also, what I like personally, Style Board, it's I will say, I like to help my customer 24 hours. Yes, I love my job. Who know me, you know me. I love to sell, I love to help. I'm here to help to Nordstrom customers. But also what I found out, like, we'll say in my store we do not have a brand, we'll say we don't have a brand Creed. My customer, she's online, they have a Creed. A Creed also have gift with purchase. I cannot send to her from my store this beautiful gift with purchase, but if I send her a Style Board, merchandise most time coming from warehouse, and warehouse will send to her gift with purchase and her purchase. Voila! And I love this because we have some brand in the store, some we do not have. Also, what I like, sometimes I see my customer wants something. I will say I do not have in the store, but I can send to her. I am sending her link from my phone to her, and she purchasing this, but I know online they do not have any gift, but my store, we do have a nice beautiful gift for her, and I will always send separate because I know she will be happy, and it's something like special what I do. I go above and beyond for my customer. Okay, I hope you like my video. I try to explain maybe a little bit slowly, but if you like this video, please comments below. It's again, this is Katerina Nordstrom, Tempo Beauty Stylist, and it's a video about Style Board. Okay, again, I can send you from my store, I can sell you in my store, and I can also send you merchandise from my cell phone. Okay, it's convenient for me, for you, but remember these little details I told you. Okay, love you all. Please message me if you wanna know about more style board. Okay, bye everybody.